Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying to transform myself into Madison Beer. I don't think it's possible, and I know what you're thinking. This girl does not look like Madison Beer. You're absolutely correct. So I had to do a lot of fixing up, and even that didn't help. But I feel like it was best effort, A for effort, B for effort, I don't know. But I think you'll enjoy this video if you keep watching, so just keep watching. And if you like me and you like my channel, then please subscribe. I would like to think my videos are kind of funky, but anyways, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's just get on into it. Okay, so let's get into the makeup. Why do I keep doing makeup videos when I'm terrible at them? But it's okay. We're gonna try. Okay, so I actually watched, like, someone posted a live stream of, hold on, let me go get the stuff I need. I should be prepared. Okay, so from what I took from the video that I watched, I think Madison has, like, this account that she has, and it's like for like her biggest fan type of thing, and it's like not her main account. Maybe like it's a spam or something, I'm not sure. But she did a live stream of her makeup for them, and one of the people that was in it posted it. You could just look up like Madison Beer makeup tutorial, and it's like the first one that pops up. So from the video, she only used like cream products. She didn't really use any powder, so that's what we'll be doing today. Not that I know how to. And if I'm not mistaken, she used primarily Charlotte Tilbury. And oh, I already did my concealer because I feel like that's not very interesting. She didn't use any foundation. She just used a little bit of concealer under her eyes. I used way more concealer than her because homegirl's tired, so yeah. So basically just enjoy. Also, she was much more graceful when she was applying her makeup. Me, I'm terrible. And so then she used a Charlotte Tilbury blush, but this is all I have in cream blush. I've used like all this makeup like 55 times on my channel, so this ColourPop, and then this was Hoola. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend it in. Actually, sorry, my camera cut off. I can try to do, so Madison Beer, she sings, if y'all didn't know that, I'm pretty sure everyone knows that, but just in case you didn't, I could try to sing like she does. So here's my impersonation. Should I tell you, but I couldn't help it. Okay, that's it, thanks. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with some liquid highlighter. She does a lot of highlighter because she's just pretty sure it's like not even actual highlighter. I'm pretty sure she just has like a natural glow. Me, I'm a little dusty and crusty, so we have to add a little bit more. So I'm just gonna blend it in. I feel like that was pretty good, right, for singing? Okay. Then on my nose. It doesn't look good. How do I think I'm gonna look like her? I don't look like her. I'm so crusty and dusty. So she did a little bit of eyeshadow, just a little light look, and I'm using this palette again. It's just Anastasia Modern Renaissance. She did like a taupe in her crease, and then she did like a shadow eyeliner, which who knows how I'm gonna do that, but let's just do the taupe first. And I'm just using, why is it so dark? Okay. Oh my gosh, why do I always block it? I'm putting warm taupe in my crease from this palette. She used What palette did she use? I'm not sure. You can find that video super easily. So I just did that. I should probably go up like a little higher so I can look like a model. I don't know. The eyeliner, y'all, I don't ever do eyeliner, so wish me luck. I have mascara on because I was at work. Story of my life. I have makeup on because I was at work. So I'm going to use Cypress Umber. And I'm going to like, oh my gosh, it's already going bad. I don't think that's, oh my god, what do I don't even think I've ever worn winged eyeliner in my life. Hers definitely doesn't look like that. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this part, y'all. So let's just try the line first and then we'll try the wing. Y'all, it looks so bad. Okay, why don't I try to do the, like, trace a line with the taupe. Okay, here's the thing. I'm like, I can't hold. I'm gonna, like, I don't think it's gonna work out today. Let's try it on the side. No, I can't do it. I'm sorry, I let y'all down. I can't do winged eyeliner. I've never been able to do it in my life, so I didn't know why today was gonna be my lucky day. But I'm gonna take some Vaseline for my lips. How cute. And then her, like, she has like very voluptuous lips. I don't. Why do I think I'm hilarious? I am hilarious. Comment down below if you think I'm funny. Come on, just comment down below. Okay. And this is just the Fenty Fussy Gloss Bomb. Let me try it one more time. One more time, the winged. No, it's not gonna work. I can't do it. Okay, let's get into the outfits in the photo shoots. I should probably say how I'm gonna do my hair. She like has that like signature low bun. I'm probably gonna look like I'm just in the military when I do this, but it's okay. So I'm gonna just, my part look okay? I'm gonna just do a low bun. I'm gonna try to do that trick like where they tie it in a knot. I don't think. Oh, no, ma'am. Oh my gosh, I didn't even do my eyelashes. Okay, well, just pretend I did. I already had mascara on, but I'm just gonna put a little bit more on. But I'm trying to channel my inner Madison Beer right now. So basically, I'm gonna pretend I'm hanging out with David Dobrik. Hey, David. Hey, Natalie. She probably doesn't do that, but it's okay. If I ever, it would never happen in a million years, but if I was Madison Beer and I was hanging out with David Dobrik, I'd be deceased. I couldn't even handle it. I would have like some type of malfunction. Okay, so she always has like her bangs out. I'm gonna just look like a lunch lady. Like, hold on, let me see if she like has her ears out. I hope she doesn't, because she has her ears out. I don't have ears like that. In this picture, she doesn't have her hair in a bun, but it's okay. But I have the same like sweatshirt as her. Hers is probably not Aerie. Actually, I know it's not Aerie, but I just pretend it is. Okay, I think this is good. Let me ask David. David, what do you think? It looks so good, Paige. Oh, thank you. Love you. Okay, so let's get into the pictures. Okay, so I'm gonna be recreating this picture. I'll pop it up on the screen. But I just put my mirror like up against my bed. My room looks nothing like hers. My room looks like McDonald's compared to hers. And like, look at my like faux ring light in the back. Like, don't. I'm exposing myself. So she was like laying on the bed with her laptop. I have the same color as her, but I'm very like I don't get matching pieces because it's not in the budget. So I just have black joggers on, and then we'll try to redo it. I don't want to show my feet either, so we're gonna try to somehow how to do that. But I'm gonna take the picture, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, so here's the two pictures compared to each other. It's not perfect, I'll tell you that, because, well, I live in Yeehaw Town and she lives in LA, but you know, it's all good. Okay, so I'm going to show you my outfit for the second one. Here's the second picture I'm going to try to recreate. I don't have like a spaghetti strap thing like that, but I do have this green shirt. I feel like it works. I just have some jeans on with my Air Forces. I don't have whatever shoes she has, and then I just put my gold hoops on. Then I have some sunglasses, but I don't have a purse like hers, but I have this purse, and I feel like I can do the same like pose with it. I don't know, hopefully, but let's get into it. Alright, so I just got finished taking pictures. Let me scoot you back. So this is how they both turned out compared to each other. They're kind of close, closer than the other one, but I just tried so hard. Okay, bye. Alright guys, well that is the end. I can give one more Madison Beer impression if you want. Should have loved you, but I couldn't help it. Thank you. David. Oh, he's shy. He doesn't want to be in the outro. It's okay. Next time we'll get David in. Oh my god, I'm delusional. It's okay. But thank you for watching this video, and subscribe. I want you to. I know you want to. So just press that red button. And like for more videos. Comment down below. I want to do some type of Q&A. So comment your questions down below. I don't know when I'll do it, but just comment. But thanks for watching this video. I love y'all guys. And I'll see you next time.